Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel today, and welcome to another um case study video. I'm sorry, pardon me for not knowing the days. I'm literally losing track of all these days, but I will definitely go back into my analytics and check and update my spreadsheet, because I'm just kind of lost, because I am kind of somewhere else, and you can see I'm not using my laptop right now, and I just have to just keep mailing every day. That's why I'm doing this video as well. I'm sorry, I'm not keeping track of that. I don't even really know the dates, but I will find my way. I'll find my way back. So if you are just joining in, this is we are doing a case study video of my lead gen secret. So what is my lead gen secret? If you are just joining in, so my lead gen secret is a mailing system. Yeah, these guys give you 100 leads it, for $1 for 30 days, right? So I asked myself, I was like, why didn't I just pay $1 to get into the system? Well, it essentially doesn't work that way. So they collect um $60 upfront. So if you want to get in on this system, there'll be a link in the description below for you to check it out, and they will just give you 100 leads for $1. And once you get to this page, you click on use my secret now, right? You input an email address here, and you get started. Then you fill in your details, right? Fill in your details, you put in your card. As you can see, for just was $60, right? As you can see, $30 setup fee, and $30. Then after you pay the $60 in total, every month you'll be paying $30. And mind you, the first month you might not really make anything. This system is all about why I got into this system is because I saw the result that we were getting, and it's more or less like consistency. So you have to keep driving leads, trying different products in that sense. But rest assured, you definitely get your first sale, but it just takes time. I've not really gotten my first sale yet. I'm still documenting my journey. So as always, if you're a Nigerian and you want to get in on this system, to start mailing right away, if you are just joining in, I said you should use a VCC called Wallet Africa. So these guys give you virtual credit cards. Yeah, they have dollar and they have naira cards that you can actually use. So you can just use these guys. I have a link in the description below for you guys, which is going to be an affiliate link. So when you guys use these guys to make your purchase, and as at the time I checked this evening, dollar was sold for 605. So bear in mind, that's black market rate. It's just what it is, man. I don't know why things are like this. All our cards are capped at $20. So yeah, that was basically it about my lead secret. So without wasting too much of your time, let's go to Clickbank and check my stats real quick. So I'll click over here, then I'll click on login. Logged in, no sales for the day. That's totally fine. No sales, no sales, no sales. That's cool. Let's hover over to reporting real quick to check. So okay, this is reporting over here. I always keep looking for reporting. I don't know why. Then so let's check our stats real quick to see how we performed well. So we got a total of 101 hops. Write-up preview, social rep. I'm not promoting this product. I don't know, social paid. This is the product I'm actually promoting. That's 101 hops in total. Right. So I will sure go retrace my steps. So I might not really be bringing out my handy dandy notes today. So but I'm just going to log into my mailing system real quick, just to check how we did so far. And mind you have to keep mailing every day. Okay, this is another day I'm mailing actually. So I'm going to log in right now. So let's just see how we did so far. As you can see, this guy had 143 opened, 13 clicks, 16% open rate, right, and 9% click-through rate. But there was not really any order on this one. So I'm going to be promoting that same write-up reviews today. I got leads today, leads yesterday, and leads today. So let's go over and check for the products. So the next thing I want to go to I think I'll go to marketplace for some reason. I don't know if it will click. Well, it doesn't go. I have to go to the dashboard first because we are using phone. So I'll click on marketplace. Let me zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. Click on marketplace over here. There was something I actually wanted to learn, which is what after I learned, I'm going to be like putting signatures on my email too as well. I think that's what I also want to learn as well. When I learn that, I'll do a video for you guys so you guys can know how to do it. I think it actually doubles your opt-in rate because then they see your face and they know the kind of person you are. Alright, so we navigate down to the e-business and e-marketing, and I just wait for it to load up real quick. I don't know why it said this. Network kind of bad. Alright, let's go down to. So we're actually promoting write-up reviews, Abby. So how we are promoting. I kind of like don't find. I think this is under category. Like you guys, what did I go to? E-business and e-marketing. Because I'm seeing something like belly tonic or something like that. Okay, this is live chat jobs here. Okay, this is write-up reviews. So I'm only promoting this for 3 days. So this is the last day actually. So I'm going to go over to the affiliate page because I want to go and copy the email swipes. So scroll down, go over to email swipes. This is going to be day 3 of the email swipes. As you guys know how I like to do it. Copy the whole thing, scroll down, then okay, so I copy this and so I hit this and I will go to my lead gen secrets. We'll go over to the mailing system. This is as easy as simple it is. When I got the system too as well, I thought it was going to be hard, but it's just really very simple. So we are mailing a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This cannot be probably 600, like 600, I don't know how many. Today is 20, I'm not sure. Okay, today is 23rd, right? So you are mailing everything. You are mailing 1,000 people today. That's like, I think we are a week in, I guess. So I selected all, and I'll go down here. I'll just select all these things. I'll select from here, this attention, and I'll paste this guy in. Let me zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. I'll delete this guy. I'll move up, I'll copy this. I've forgotten that this is actually MLJ, so I can actually use it. The reason why I cannot use this mouse here, like right click option, is because this is a phone. But I've forgotten that this is MLJ. I'll just cut it. Cut. Action cut actually. So take 2, action cut. Okay, so let's scroll up. Enough with the. Then the subject line. Okay, just press. Yo, my legs are killing me. Okay, so scroll down. Before then, let me just don't forget that I want to address them by their first name. Let me zoom in. I hope you guys can see this. So I'll copy this. Apparently my mouse is not working here. So I copy this, scroll down, hi, delete, 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 delete. Now paste this in here, you know. Then as always, you need to put in your name. The next video, I will learn how to put my signature, so I'll find a way to put my face, so that way you know the kind of person you're talking to. So Jeremiah, click here. So the next thing I want to do, we want to go and generate our hop link. So literally every day we generate hop link. So I'll click on promote. Then under the tracking ID, I'll put MLGS. I actually learned this from someone, just to know where traffic is. So if I had like 2 accounts, I'll put MLGS 2, right? So I click on create hop link and copy the whole of this thing. Copy this, come to my mailing system again. Then I will highlight this one with my mouse and I'll go over to this link over here. Let me move this up. Sorry. Click this. Then I'll just input this one. So I'll input it here. I'll click here. And I'll click on OK. So I'll zoom out. Okay, let me just zoom in and recheck real quick. So everything is all set, Okay. So I'll preview the email actually. So let me just zoom to set the preview. Okay, so that's just basically it, I'll close this and I'll actually hit perfect timing. Never hit send email without putting perfect timing, so that they will know the time they will send the email out to your audience. So this system actually does work. It's just that before you get your first email, it might just take time, So that's just it. So what I'll just do next, I'll click on send email. That's how easy it is to send out email on MLGS, right? So let's just wait for it. As you can see, your message is queued. You'll be able to view any statistic page in a few moments. So let's go check. I'll start. When I'm free, I'm going to go and check my handy dandy notes and I'm going to reconstruct myself because I'm literally lost. So today I mailed out 1,000 leads. Alright, I think I'll find it here by the date so that I will know like how well the hops did. Like the clicks are not really that. The first day was not that bad actually. Anyways, better days ahead. So that's just the case study for today. So catch me in tomorrow's case study video, and don't forget, if you guys want to get on this on this my agent secret, there'll be a link in the description below for you guys to check it out. You guys should sign up on my link. I'll get 200 free leads, so I can mail even more people. And if you're in Nigeria again, don't forget you can use Wallet Africa. And if you want me to just buy this for you, you can just reach out to me. I have my link in my WhatsApp. You can just message me there. Then you can we'll talk at length and I'll help you get the system right. So yeah, that's basically the whole gist of the story. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next case study, and bye for now. Yeah.